Gadkari ji, can I begin by asking you to talk about your vision for electric mobility in India and how soon you see India moving from being a country powered largely by vehicles which run on fossil fuels to a country which predominantly runs on electric mobility, and do you see it happen at all?
Actually, the most important problem which our country is facing, that is the problem related with the pollution and the economy. Our import bill is presently up to 8 lakh crores, and within 5 years it will go up to 25 lakh crores. And by using of this petrol and diesel, we are going to generate air pollution in the country. And today we need to save this country from air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. So import substitute, cost-effective, pollution-free, and indigenous. The solution is the most important sector which is important for the country is automobile sector, and which is creating maximum pollution because of using of petrol and diesel. Presently, the turnover of this sector is 7.5 lakh crore, and the export is 3.5 lakh crores. Overall GDP contribution is 7.1%, and manufacturing GDP is 49%. The most important thing that this is the number one sector in the country creating job for 50 million people. And this is the number one automobile manufacturing sector which is supporting our economy. And now, my dream is to make Indian automobile sector as the world leader, the number one in the world. The all reputed brand in the world, all are present in India. And by using alternative fuel and electric and other technology, I am confident that we are going to be number one within 5 years, number one in the world. So one of the important, interesting thing about electric vehicle is, electric car sales increased by 140% globally compared to previous year. This is the fact. Government across the world spent $14 billion to support e-car sales. So how you can imagine how potential is that? $125 billion spent on purchase of EV across the world. The globally public charging station reached to 1.3 million units, and world is exploring charging option for heavy-duty electric trucks, development of mega chargers of 1 megawatt of power capacity. So this is the scenario. So here is the potential for India, that the intelligent engineering capability, the young talented manpower, availability of raw material, reducing the production cost, not compromising with the quality. Sky is the limit that we can be a world leader in the sector. As for the EV ecosystem in India, the Paris Climate Agreement to reduce 30 to 35 emission by 2030, it is already on record. So 30% our target is up to 2030, 30% private car will be electric, then 70% commercial vehicle will be electric, 40% buses will be electric, and 80% 2 and 3 wheelers by 2030 will be electric. Every time you are asking me the question that how it is going to happen. It is neither you need any propaganda for that. Now the going by petrol car, the cost is 10 rupees per kilometer. Going by diesel is supposed to be 8 rupees per liter. And going by electric is 1 rupees per liter.